everybody, welcome to 7 Mile Hill Sanctuary. Today we are going to be making homemade cornbread. It's like a copycat to that Jiffy stuff you get in a box. And we're going to be doing that today because we're making a pot of chili. And I'm going to be doing it here with our friend Eva. Yep. Did I say that right? Okay, Eva. I always want to call her Ava. But there you go. So Eva's never made it homemade. So she's about to do it today. So let's get started. Okay, you ready? Okay. So let me find my recipe I just wrote down. And I'll let you get that together. So we're going to put in 2/3 cup of oil. Oh, I'm going to double this recipe. I'll put it on the site, but I'm going to double it. This is for a single, like if you want to put it in a cast iron pan. But we're going to double it up because she has 6 children and her husband and then the 2 of us. So we're going to double that up. Okay? And so we're going to do 2/3 cup flour. We're going to double that up. The flour's in the bin right over there on top. Let's say, excuse us as we figure ourselves out. All right. So the first thing is flour, and then we're going to do cornmeal. And cornmeal is 1/2 cup. So double that up. It's a whole cup. There you go. Alrighty. And then 1/3 cup of sugar, it says. So we want 2/3 actually. Yeah, there you go. And there's the sugar. Okay, 2/3 cup sugar. And we're going to do our baking powder. Yeah, whoops. Good thing I can edit, right? And it says a tablespoon. And we will be putting that in our cookbook we talked about of making our own cookbook. So all these recipes will be in there available. And what did I say? Oh, yeah. Oh, did I say? Oh, I said tablespoon. Yeah, so we need 2 of them. And it calls for salt, but I've never really put salt in the recipe. So it's really up to you whether you want to do it or not. The recipe for salt is like 1/2 teaspoon, so you put a whole one in if you're going to use it. We don't use it. And then we'll use 2 tablespoons of oil. And here's our oil. The best way to learn is to do it. Don't you agree? Yep. Dog hair. Get that out of there. And then, use this spoon. Okay, we'll kind of mix that up. We're going to add a little bit of spice to it too. Lance really likes jalapeños, so I put jalapeños in it. And we also put corn because it's cornbread, right? You want corn. All right, so we're going to add 2 eggs to that after it, because remember, we doubled the recipe. Okay. And we're going to add a full can of corn, regular corn, not cream corn. Or you can use frozen corn if you want to. Okay, so we'll use a full can. And now we're going to cut up the jalapeños, and then we're going to chop them up and put them in there. And then we will add our, let's see, what are we missing? Milk afterwards. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Those are pretty good size too. Yeah. We'll just chop them right up so they're not full pieces. now we could tell everybody that Eva made them all.
Yeah.
We're gonna chop them all up.
Oh, sorry. Oh. Just that.
Yeah, just quarter them. So this way and that way.
Oh.
That way it just goes all throughout, and somebody doesn't get a full burst of a jalapeno.
Yeah.
The temperature is going to be at 400. So I'm going to do that right now to get it ready. And you're going to oil your pan. So if you're going to do the single recipe, then you're going to want to put it into maybe a cast iron pan. That's where most people do. Or we're going to use an actual long cake pan for tonight because we're doubling it up. All right, looks good. Dump away. And then we're going to do 2/3 cup milk that's been doubled up. There you go. Ooh, sorry. You got some milk. All right. And most of you know I'm not using regular milk because I can't have regular milk. So you do whatever milk you want, okay? You know I'm going to use almond. And then we'll mix this up. I'll let you do it. Stand back. This is going to be good with that chili.
Yep.
Looks good. Did a good job. You ever see how easy that recipe is?
Yeah.
See there? All right. Now hopefully that's going to be enough to fill our pan. Let's check it out. Ready? Put it right. There, that looks good. All right. Whoops. Okay. Put it in the oven. About half an hour. We'll check it out. There you go, folks. That is homemade cornbread that mimics the Jiffy cornbread recipe. And we're going to try it out with our chili tonight. Also, if you want to, you can add cheese into the recipe if you want. You can just sprinkle that in and you'll end up with cheesy cornbread. So I forgot to mention that before. But that is a good thing too if you have cheese lovers in the house. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, Eva, for helping. And we're going to make this a good experience. Eva is from No Attack, right?
Yep.
And she, like I said before, she's got 6 children plus a husband.
7, but 6.
Oh,
here.
okay. Six children here. And her husband. So they're coming up to help us out this summer, maybe longer. But it's still going to be a lifelong friendship in the Lord. And she will probably teach me a few things, and I'm hoping that I could teach her a few things. And
You already are.
be even richer. Have a blessed day.